Here we have a lovely vintage brass mouth blowtorch. This is where the name blowtorch came from. You fill the main cylinder up by undoing this top cap here with methylated spirits, and then you light the wadding at the top, or the wick, and this will give you your main flame, and you adjust the mouthpiece at the side to give you the right flame. Now, I've not actually got it quite right here. This takes a bit of playing around with till you first get it. Yeah, I've definitely not got it right there, I blew it out. But it's a simple case, just relight it. It's actually a bit low, so we'll just lift it up slightly, and there we go. This gives a nice flame for your jewellery and all your watchmaking soldering jobs. And all I'm doing is blowing down the pipe with my mouth. So now you know where the term blowtorch came from. And when you're finished, it's just a simple case. Blow it out, and for safety, replace your cap. What a lovely piece this would make for anybody's man cave or on your shelf in your workshop. Thanks for watching, YouTubers. Until next time, you'll be right.